Hello, I'm Stuart. Before we start, we want to share that this video uses AI for graphics and voice, but all the information is manually researched by our team. Here in the video, we will share the details for the Discovery Plus error code 1k-0002. As per our research, the error comes when users try to watch any show or episode on the Discovery Plus app. Some users shared that they received a message saying, "Your browser does not support playback of this video. Please try another browser," when trying to stream content through their Sky Q box. According to our research, the error mainly comes because of app glitches, outdated firmware, network issues, or device compatibility problems. If you are using Discovery Plus from the Sky Q box, then try refreshing the apps from the Engineers menu. To do this, press the Home button, scroll down to Settings but do not press Select. Instead, press 001 and then Select. This will take you into the Engineers menu. Now scroll down to Apps and select Refresh. Once done, check if the error still appears. If the error still persists, or if you are using Discovery Plus from any other device, then power cycle your device along with your network. Simply shut down your device and router. Disconnect them from the power source. Wait for 5 minutes, then reconnect and restart. Now check if the error is fixed. If you are still having the error, then check if you need to update the Discovery Plus app or your device firmware. If there is any pending update, install it and check for the error again. In case the error still comes even after updating, then try connecting your device over a different network, such as another Wi-Fi or a mobile hotspot. Then check if the error is resolved. If the error still comes, then try using the Discovery Plus app on a different device. Simply switch to another device and see if this helps with the error. At last, if nothing helps, then you should contact Discovery Plus support and report the issue. Thanks for watching. This is all we have for the error. If this video helped, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Have any questions or issues? Drop them in the comments below. See you in the next one.